Hello everyone and welcome. What we have here is if we can get the glare off of it, a Yale rim cylinder. Going to attempt to pick it out of the package. Take a look at that key. That's our key. It's not too bad actually. Alright. Alright. Smooth as it should be. Let's see what kind of tension wrench we're going to get. Alright. Get the camera over here for a little bit better view. Go for a thinner SS Dev hook. That one keeps getting hung up in the warding. Go with a thinner pick overall. Alright, bottom of the keyway may not be my best option. If y'all hear music in the background, that is my coworker in there jamming out in the nurse's station. There we go, guys. It is the Yale picked out of the package. Yeah, it took me a moment to find the right pick. Guess that's always the problem. Right out of the package, you don't have your arsenal at hand already laid out. But yeah, pretty cool little lock. I'll be sending this on to somebody else real soon, I'm sure. But thanks for watching. Leave a comment, a like, subscribe if you enjoy the content. Everybody have a great day or night, depending on where you live in. But bye.